In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Microsoft Teams app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to be able to get the latest version of Teams app, you need to go ahead and update this app to the latest version. To do so, it is quite simple. You either need to access it either through Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Microsoft Teams app through Google Play Store. So I'll proceed and go look for Google Play Store, and my Play Store is here, and then I'll tap on it. From here, I'll go ahead and search through the apps for Teams. And as you can see, my Microsoft Teams app is here. Now look for any update. If it is available, you'll see it here. Now proceed and tap on update to be able to get the latest version of Microsoft Teams. For my case, I already have an up-to-date game, and therefore I can't update it. All I need to do is to tap on it and then open and start using this latest version. Now by updating your Teams app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix errors. You'll also be able to fix security issues as well as bugs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.